Kajingelang juga Kanun Menteri ke Sorkar Jela, kebelalong hakasito dian juga teyau, kala ajung menjur Thung ya unang bisar barim jong kam Madhya Pradesh High Court, retired Justice Mulchan Garg, kum ucaman jong ke expert committee, rengkat bagi saungut kidukot, ban kmi benya, bat ban bisar thamai, hak bede baka reservation policy jong ke Jela.
Kanun Menteri hapok kajingelang Menteri Rangba, ukonrat kongkal sangma. Hadin gejingetai sani bhag la menjur Thung yung nong bichar barem ka Madhya Pradesh High Court umul chan Garg kum ucaman ke expert committee bari gisangut ki dekhot jang ke expert committee ke bakentup yung nong bichar barem ke Allahabad High Court u Dr. Satish Chandra u Professor D.V. Kumar na Department of Sociology ke School Ba Nehu Shillong, Professor Chandar Shekhar na Department of Fertility and Social Demography, Indian Institute of Population Sciences Mumbai, but u Professor Subhadip Mukherjee, Assistant Professor ke Economics and Public Policy ke IIM Shillong. Habayakran bikinong patay kubor ke Menteri Kebakhmi Ketenataan i Dr. Ampreen Lingdo. Ilong bagi kendon terekam jangka expert committee kelong ban bishar thamai ya ke reservation policy bementar jangka jela. Bat ban ajing mut ke behedai bagi jim ke kelat thamai bani kenduk bagi selok bagi kenhun beper bat ban lek yakaleng kijaka ki badan hak jela ban pan ya jing mut bagi pat ba. Ilong bala batha ke expert committee ban IT ya ka kaipot cak Sorkar jela hapok ka khat arbenai.
No, so now obviously once you've announced the constitution of this committee, then all political parties will obviously have to step up, and NGOs, civil society, everybody will be called by this by the news expert committee, and we've told you that their terms of references are very clear. They will look at the suggestions, views, opinions of stakeholders across the state, and accordingly submit these suggestions, views to the government of Meghalaya for further action. Then there will be some amount of bias. So to avoid this bias concept, we feel that we should leave it to experts which will be in position to actually take views on board and solicit views from different groups. So it will be difficult for us if we have to keep expanding it. How many kinds of indigenous representations do you want in a committee like this? Because we are looking at a wide range of varieties of groups that will want to also suggest to the expert committee. Best thing is get experts in the line departments. What are the line departments? The legal, the constitutional, the demographic, the anthro, and the population count. So let us look at all of this. Let us see. Let's start the ball rolling. 12 months will be given to this committee. Hopefully, we will have some idea. Let it at least start. Yes.
Roster system.
Yes. Already, cabinet has approved the roster system, and that roster system will be in operation. These are just views and observations that they will pick up, because everybody has that feeling that we should be given an opportunity to speak on this matter. Government has benevolently constituted this committee with the hope that whatever is done in the interest of the people of the state of Meghalaya.
Kanun Menteri kala ajing menjur ya kilai teligi Medical College ke Bakentup ya ke Shillong Medical College, Jura Medical College, bat kawai ke bantai ha USTM hari boy. I Dr. Ampreen Lingdo ilong mana ke benta ke jingdan kam ya ki beriau ha ke Shillong Medical College, ke Sorkar kan pendan kam ya ke Civil Hospital bat Ganesh Das Hospital. Ke Sorkar kala ajing menjuru ya ke Jura Medical College ban Trailang bat ki kenhun shimet ban peniat ya kane ka jaka pulih. Na kaliang ka USTM Ribhoy kante ka Medical College bakane ka sekolah ba kan bahak kerpang ye jaka pulia na benta ki samla pulia ke jela.
Procedure starting of 3 medical colleges in the state of Meghalaya. We will have one in Shillong, we will have one in Tura, and we will have one in Ribhoy district.
For a strategic proposal to set up 3 medical colleges in the state. One has already in the pipeline, that is Tura Medical College. which the construction is going on, and where the proposal was today, the cabinet has discussed about how actually these colleges will be set up. So similarly, the Shillong Medical College, by leveraging the existing resources what we have, like a civil hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das Hospital, using this entire infrastructure, and also by leveraging the existing the human resources, especially the specialist doctors and those who can actually potentially become the faculty in the medical college. So taking all that, we have mapped, a committee has been constituted. Based on that, a proposal has been made how actually we can in the next 2 to 3 years a Shillong Medical College can be set up. By in fact the entire necessary action is going to be initiated from now. That is one, and which will start with a 50-bedded hospital in Shillong, and but over a period of time, in the once we build our own faculty, local faculty, that will be upgraded to even 100 seat medical college. Tura Medical College, the challenge is that, like, we definitely the faculty. So there again, we are the cabinet has asked the department to explore how actually that can be run using a PPP mode, by identifying some reputed medical institutions to help in terms of operationalizing the medical college. And the third one is it's a private initiative from the USTM, which has come up with a very mutually beneficial proposal, where they have been offering the free and concessional medical seats to the state students with and also requesting for a financial assistance in the form of a repayable loan. So that also has been considered to go on a switch challenge mode. Switch challenge mode is that it's a unique proposal. So we will actually, once we examine the entire proposal, it will be put in the public domain, and asking everybody to challenge if there is any other better proposal is there. Then actually the government would accordingly take a decision. So for all these three colleges, the cabinet has given a nod to the department to take next steps.
In fact, the progress of the Tura Medical College in terms of infrastructure building is already at about 44%. And we are looking at a fast tracking, and they have given, TCIL has given us a commitment that by May of 2024, we would be able to complete most of the buildings. We've just been briefed by the officials, and progress seems to be good. We may have problems in as far as running the medical college there. As far as Shillong Medical College, we are likely to take off very quickly. At least cabinet note has been given today. We will immediately start off the process, because we have to ask for permissions. We have to seek, we have to comply with all the requirements. It's a huge process. Point being that we have taken this decision today. Likely, we may have in the next maybe 2 to 5 years, at least a good 140 plus good seats for the state of Meghalaya, which will increase proportionately every time. We're looking at a target of 240 finally, or maybe even 340.
If we announce that we are having medical colleges, we may lose the...
So this is also something that we are also going to look at very aggressively. We are aware that Government of India may, but we are in the process of negotiation. We will be meeting the Honorable Ministers of Health in the Government of India. We hope that they will consider our requests, and we are hoping that we will be able to get these seats
till we establish
our own.
Ha kawai pat kaliang kakunhon menteri kelaajeng menjur bantung no yau secretary Bapura jang Meghalaya State Council of Technical Education Shillong hadian bagajela keladon bunteli ki Polytechnic. I Dr. Amperin Lingdo iloong baka Polytechnic kadon Shillong Tura Jawai bad ondang mi sa Sauteli. Ka Sorkar kelarai bantung ya ka Ali kum ka secretary jang MS CTE na kabenta Arsnem. But Mentahi ka Ali kadang day ka additional director ka Directorate of Higher and Technical Education but Chen kan sa Shong That no. Kakanun menteri ka menjuru bantung yo CP Marak IFS bala Shong That nakakam kumu executive chairman ka Embos Tura na kabenta Shisnem. Ka Sorkar ka menjuru bantung ya ikong Ripnar Lingdo IAS bala Shong That kum ka State Information Commissioner jang ka Meghalaya State Information Commission.
So it is again a felt need that there is requirement for a full-time chairman for MBOS, and the cabinet has approved the appointment of Shri C.P. Marak, retired Indian Forest Officer, to be appointed as the executive chairman of the board for a period of 12 months.
Dr. Amperin Lingdo Ilieto baka kanhun menteri kala menjur yak jing terwa ban pengelai ke Meghalaya Judicial Service Rules arajar hendreo bad eka Meghalaya Higher Judicial Service Rules arajar khatsan baleng ba ke jing pengelai an pendono eka kendon bantung yaki Judicial Officer da ke Commission hendrai nang nesha khmat yaki Judicial Officer antung no da ke yang syari Meghalaya High Court.
The amendment proposes to omit the provision providing recruitment of judicial officers by the Commission, and after the amendment, the recruitment will be done by the Honourable High Courts of Meghalaya. Further, wherever the word Guwahati High Court appears, this word will be substituted by the High Court of Meghalaya. The amendment also proposes to change the nomenclatures of designation of judicial officers as per directions of the Supreme Court. District and session judges shall be replaced by session judge, and the criminal side, the district judge in the civil side, chief judicial magistrate in the criminal side, and civil judge senior division in the civil side, and the judicial magistrate in the criminal side, and civil judge junior division in the civil side accordingly.